Hello everyone, I am Mohammad Khalid and welcome to my YouTube channel Physic-so-Mathematica Techno-Computa. So in this video I will be saying you how to uninstall MinGW-W64 which contains GCC compiler. So from the sourceforge website what we have downloaded MinGW-W64, in this video that will be uninstalling. So let's begin the video. Go to my computers and go to C drive and program files x86, this one you click. So here you will be having see MinGW-W64, click on this, click on this one, and see you will be finding the option uninstall. So just double click on it. So it says you do want to allow this app from an unknown publisher to make change. You just click on yes. So click on next. It is asking are you sure you want to uninstall MinGW-W64. You just click on yes, click on next. So uninstall process is going on. So here MinGW-W64 has been successfully uninstalled, so click on finish. So in this way you can uninstall the MinGW-W64. So now if you go to the same program file, if you click on MinGW-W64 you will see this folder is empty, which means the MinGW-W64 this which contains the GCC compiler has been deleted. So just delete this folder. Permission it is asking, so click continue. So guys, in this way you can uninstall the MinGW-W64 from the sourceforge website. We will be downloading this file and which contains the GCC compiler. So guys, thank you for watching the video.